projects galore. Grandpa B's always got something more.
Okay, here's the coffee pot. This is B-Stream. We're doing the coffee pot. So if you wake up in the morning before me, which could happen, you push this button for the coffee pot here, and then that. The coffee is all ready, as you can see. There's the water and back. And so there you go. And we'll have another update from the B-Stream. And this is the studio audience right here. There's Mimi, who doesn't like to be in pictures. And there's Sammy and Wilson. All right, signing off.